Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show how to enable notification sound for a specific person on Telegram, especially if you've accidentally muted them or just want to make sure you never miss their messages. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on your main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Next, find and open the chat of the person whose notifications you want to turn back on. This can be a private chat or even a group, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on an individual contact. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots. Tap on those three dots to open more options. Now, from the menu that appears, tap on Mute and Enable Sound. If the chat was muted before, this action will immediately restore notification sounds for that conversation. After doing this, you should start hearing alerts again whenever that person sends you a message. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference if you rely on Telegram for important conversations. If you want to double-check, you can also go into your notification settings within Telegram and confirm that sound is enabled for messages overall. And that's it. Quick, easy, and done in just a few seconds. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep exploring more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of your messaging experience.